Hello students, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video lecture, I am going to solve exercise problems based on arithmetic progression. Exercise number 5.3. Third main, first example. In an AP, A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3, Tn is equal to 50. Find N and Sn. So here, solution, given that first term is given A is equal to 5 and common difference is given D is equal to 3 and last term is given Tn is equal to 50. So we need to calculate N and Sn, both N and Sn. But using the formula Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, we can calculate the value of N using the formula Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So you know Tn is 50 is equal to A is 5 plus N don't know, right as it is, N minus 1 into D is 3. Now 5 moves to left hand side, become minus 5. 50 minus 5 is equal to N minus 1 into 3. So 50 minus 5 is 45 is equal to N minus 1 into 3. Now 3 moves to left hand side, become division. 45 divided by 3 is equal to N minus 1. So 3 1s are 3, 15s are 45. 15 is equal to N minus 1. Minus 1 moves to left hand side, become plus 1 is equal to N. Therefore N is equal to 16. And now Sn. So in this example, first term is given, last term is given. If the last term is given, how to find Sn? Sn is equal to N by 2 A plus Tn is the formula to find the nth sum of n terms of an AP. So this formula is only applies when the last term is given. So in this example, last term is given. Therefore, we can use the formula Sn is equal to N by 2 A plus Tn. So n is nothing but 16. Yes, 16 is equal to 16 divided by 2 into A is given 5 plus Tn is 50. 2 1s are 2 8s are 16. So yes, 16 is equal to 8 into 50 plus 5 is 55. So yes, 16 is equal to 8 5s are 40. 4 is carry. 8 5s are 40 plus 4 is 44. Therefore, yes, 16 is equal to 440. Hence, n is equal to 16 and yes, 16 is equal to 440. And next exercise number 5.3. Third bit, second example. So the second example given A is equal to 7, T13 is equal to 35. Find D and S13. Find D and S13. So here, solution, given that A is equal to 7 and N is equal to 13 and T13 is equal to 35. S13 don't know. We need to calculate S13 and common difference here. So using the formula Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Using this formula, we can calculate the value of D. So T13 is equal to A is 7 plus N is 13 minus 1. D don't know, right as it is. But T13 is given, so 35. 35 is equal to 7 plus 13 minus 1 is 12D. So now plus 7 moves to left hand side, become minus 7. 35 minus 7 is equal to 12D. 35 minus 7 is 28. 35 minus 7 is 28 is equal to 12D. So 28 divided by 12 is equal to D. 4 3s are 12. 4 7s are 28. Therefore, D is equal to 7 by 3. So the common difference is 7 divided by 3. Now, we need to calculate S13. But in this example, last term is given. Therefore, we can use the formula Sn is equal to N by 2 A plus Tn. This formula is used only when the last term is given. So in this example, last term is given. So you can use the formula Sn is equal to N by 2 A plus Tn. So put all the values. We know the n value, n is 13, s13 is equal to 13 by 2 into a is 7 plus tn, last term t13 is 35. So s13 is equal to 13 by 2 into bracket 35 plus 7 is 42. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. S13 is equal to 13 into 21. So S13 is equal to 21 3s are 63. So 6 is carry. 21 1s are 21. 21 plus 6 27. 273. Therefore S13 is equal to 273. Hence the value of common difference, the value of D is 7 by 3 and sum of first 13 terms is 273. And next exercise number 5.3, third main, third example. In an AP given T12 is equal to 37, common difference D is equal to 3, find A and S12. So solution, given that
here's what I found on the web.
T12 is equal to 37 and common difference D is equal to 3. So here n is also given, n is equal to 12. We need to calculate first term and sum of 12 term S12. So using the formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, we can calculate the value of A. So n is nothing but 12. T12 is equal to A, don't know, right, as it is, into n is 12 minus 1 and D is 3. T12 is given 37 is equal to A plus 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 3 is 33. 37 minus 33 is equal to A. But 37 minus 33 is 4. So A is equal to 4. Now we need to calculate the sum of first 12 terms of an AP. That is S12 is equal to how much? But in the given example, so last term is given. So we can use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus Tn. So n is 12. S12 is equal to 12 by 2. A is 4 plus Tn is 37. 2 1s are 2 6s are. So S12 is equal to 6 into 37 plus 4 is 41. So S12 is equal to 6 1s are 6, 6 4s are 24. Therefore, sum of first 12 terms of an AP is 246 and the first term is 4. Hence, A is equal to 4 and S12 is equal to 246. And next one, exercise number 5.3, third main, fourth example. So the fourth example is, in an AP given that T3 is 15 and S10 is equal to 125, find common difference D and T10. Find common difference and T10. Solution. So here given that T3 is equal to 15 and S10 is equal to 125. So we need to calculate D and T10 is equal to how much? D is equal to how much and T10 is equal to how much? So T3 is nothing but T3 is equal to 15 is given and S10 is equal to 125 is the given. But we know that T3 is nothing but A plus 2D is equal to 15 and S10 is nothing but we know the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 2A plus n minus 1 into D, but here instead of n 10 is there, so 10 by 2 2A plus 10 minus 1 into D is equal to 125. A is equal to 15 minus 2D. A is equal to 15 minus 2D. Plus 2D moves to right hand side, become minus 2D. Called equation number 1. Now 2 1s are 2 5s are 5 into 2A plus 10 minus 1 is 9D is equal to 125. Now 5 moves to right hand side, become division. 2a plus 9d is equal to 125 divided by 5. Pi 1 za, pi 2 za 10, pi 5 za 25. So 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. Called equation number 2. Now put a value in equation number 2. A value in equation number 2. See here, the equation number 2 is 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. But a value is 15 minus 2d. So 2 into 15 minus 2d plus 9d is equal to 25. 15 2 za 30 minus 2 2 za 4d plus 9d is equal to 25. So now 30 as it is, plus 90 minus 4d is minus 5d is equal to 25. Plus 90 minus 4d is plus 5d is equal to 25. Now 5d is equal to 25 minus 30. So 5d is equal to minus 5. So 5 ones are get cancelled. D is equal to minus 1. Put d value in equation number 1. Put d value in equation number 1. We will get the a value in equation 1. So a is equal to 15 minus 2 into d is minus 1. So a is equal to 15 minus into minus plus 2 ones are 2. So a is equal to 17. Now we will calculate the value of T10 using the formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So n is nothing but what? 10. So T10 is equal to a is 17 plus n is 10 minus 1 into d is minus 1. So T10 is equal to 17 plus 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 into minus 1. So T10 is equal to 17 plus into minus minus 9 ones are 9. So T10 is equal to 17 minus 9 is 8. Therefore the common difference is minus 1 and the 10th term is 8. Hence d is equal to minus 1 and T10 is equal to 8. And next exercise number 5.3. Third main. Fifth example. In an AP given that d is equal to 5 and S9 is equal to 75. Find A and T9. Solution. So given common difference d is equal to 5 and S9 is equal to 75 and n is nothing but 9. N is equal to 9. We need to calculate A and T9. A and T9. First term and the ninth term of an AP. So we know the formula how to find sum of n terms of an AP. Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d is the formula to find sum of n terms of an AP. So here n is given, n is 9, S9 is equal to n by 2 means 9 by 2 into 2 into a is don't know. We need to calculate a right as it is plus n is 9 minus 1 into d is 5. But S9 is given, S9 is nothing but 75. So 75 is equal to 9 by 2 into 2a as it is plus 9 minus 1 is 8, 8 5 is 40. So 75 is equal to 9 by 2 into 2 is common here, take it outside, 2 into a plus 20. So 2 to get cancel each other. 75 divided by 75 is equal to 9 into a plus 20. 75 divided by 9 is equal to a plus 20. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 1 is remainder. 3 5s are 15. 25 by 3. 25 by 3 and plus 20 moves to left hand side, become minus 20 is equal to a. Here the denominator is 3 and denominator is 1 and the LCM is 3. 3 1s are 3. 1 3s are 3. 25 1s are 25 minus 23s are 60 is equal to a. 25 minus 60 is 35 by 3. Minus 35 by 3. So a is equal to minus 35 by 3. Now we need to calculate T9. T9 is equal to Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. But T9 is equal to a is how much? Minus 35 by 3 plus n is 9 minus 1, d is 5. So T9 is equal to minus 35 by 3 as it is plus 9 minus 1 8, 8 5 is 40, and here the denominator is 1 and denominator is 3. Again LCM is 3. T9 is equal to 3 is the LCM. 3 1s are 1, 3 is minus 35 1s are 35 plus 43 is 120. So T9 is equal to minus 35 plus 120 divided by 3. T9 is equal to minus 35 plus 120, 85 by 3. Hence the first term is minus 35 by 3, first term minus 35 by 3, and the ninth term T9 is equal to 85 by 3. And next, exercise number 5.3, third main, sixth problem. And the sixth problem is given that A is equal to 2, D is equal to 8, Sn is equal to 90. Find n and Tn. Find n and Tn. Solution. See students, given that A is equal to 2, and D is equal to 8, Sn is equal to 90. But we need to calculate n and Tn is equal to how much? N and Tn is equal to how much? So using the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Using this formula we can calculate the value of n. After that put n, a and d value in Tn. Yes, here Sn, n don't know, right, as it is. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a is 2 plus n don't know, n minus 1, d is 8. But Sn is given. Sn is nothing but 90. So 90 is equal to n by 2. 2 2s are 4 plus n minus 1 is 7. Sorry, n minus 1, right, as it is. N minus 1 into 8. So 90 is equal to n by 2 into bracket 4 plus 8 into n, 8n minus 8 1s are 8. And this 2 moves to left hand side, become multiplication. 90 into 2 is equal to n into 4 minus 8 is minus 4 plus 8n. Minus 4 plus 8n. 92 is 180 is equal to n into bracket minus 4 plus 8n. So here minus 4 is common, take it outside. 180 is equal to 4 into 4 is common, take it outside. 4 into the remaining term is n into minus 1 plus 2n. Minus 1 plus 2n, because already 4 is outside here. Now this 4 moves to left hand side, become division. Divided by 4 is equal to n into minus 1 minus n plus 2n into n, 2n square. 4 1s are 4 4s are 16. 2 is remainder, it become 20. 4 5s are 20. 45 is equal to minus n plus 2n square. Now 45 moves to right hand side. 2n square minus n minus 45 is equal to 0. See here, 2n square minus n minus 45 is a quadratic equation, because this equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to minus 45. So using the factorization method we can find the factors of this equation. 45 2s are 90, minus 90, minus 45 into 2 is minus 90. So find the factors of minus 90, the product become minus 90 and the sum become minus 1. 10 9s are 90, plus 10 or minus 10 plus 9. Minus 10 into plus 9 is minus 90, 10 9s are 90, and minus 10 plus 9 is minus 1. Therefore the possible factors are minus 10 and 9. So this equation become 2n square minus n is split as 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 is equal to 0. Here minus 1 is split as minus 10 and plus 9. So now in the first two terms, 2n is common, take it outside, 2n into n minus 5, plus in the last two terms 9 is common, take it outside, 9 into n minus 5 is equal to 0. Again n minus 5 is common, take it outside, n minus 5, and the remaining term is 2n here, and the remaining term is 9. 2n plus 9 is equal to 0. Now n minus 5 is equal to 0, or 2n plus 9 is equal to 0. So n is equal to 5, or 2n is equal to minus 9, or n is equal to minus 9 by 2. So already we know that n is always a positive integer, n is not a negative integer, and n is not a fraction, and n is not a decimal number. Therefore n is always positive integer. So don't consider this fraction value, only consider the positive integer. N is equal to 5. Now we need to calculate the Tn value. We know the formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now put a, d and n value in this formula. T5 is equal to 2 plus 5 minus 1 and d is 8. So T5 is equal to 2 plus 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 8 is 32. So T5 is equal to 34. Therefore n is 5, and Tn is equal to 34. Next, exercise number 5.3, third main, 7th example. In an AP given a is equal to 8, Tn is equal to 62, Sn is equal to 210, find n and d. So solution. So in this example, given that a is equal to 8, Tn is equal to 62, Sn is equal to 210, and we need to calculate n and d. So in this example, last term is given and first term is given. Therefore Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus Tn. It is the formula to find sum of n terms of an AP when the last term is given. So in this example, last term is given, therefore we can use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus Tn. But Sn is given 210. Put this value in this formula. 210 is equal to n, don't know, right as it is, n by 2. A is 8 plus Tn is 62. So 210 is equal to n by 2. 62 plus 8 is 70. 2 1s are 2 35s are. 210 is equal to 35 n. 210 divided by 35 is equal to n. 7 5s are 35. 7 3s are 21. 30. 5 1s are 5 6s are. Therefore n is equal to 6. Now find d value using the formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. And now put Tn, a and n value in this formula. So we know Tn is given 62 is equal to 8 plus n is 6 minus 1 into d. So we don't know the value of d. We need to calculate d value, right as it is. 62 and 8 moves to left hand side, become minus 8 is equal to 6 minus 1 is 5d. So 62 minus 8 is 54 is equal to 5d, and 54 divided by 5 is equal to d. Hence n is equal to 6 and the common difference d is equal to 54 divided by 5. And next, exercise number 5.3, third main, 8th problem. In an AP given Tn is equal to 4, d is equal to 2, Sn is equal to minus 14, find n and a. Solution. Given that Tn is equal to 4, d is equal to 2, Sn is equal to minus 14, and we need to calculate n and a is equal to how much? Yes, we know the formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So substitute the values. Tn is 4, a is don't know right as it is a, plus n is also don't know right as it is n minus 1 into d is 2. So now 4 is equal to a plus 2 into n, 2n minus 2 1 the 2. 4 is equal to a plus 2n minus 2. Now transfer 2n minus 2 through the left hand side. So it become 4 minus 2n plus 2 is equal to a. 4 plus 2 6. 6 minus 2n is equal to a. And next Sn is there. Sn is equal to minus 14. Sn is equal to minus 14. But in this AP, last term is given, Tn is given, so we can use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus Tn. It is the formula to find sum of n terms of an AP when the last term is given. So Sn is minus 14. Minus 14 is equal to n by 2. It is called equation number 1. A plus Tn. Tn is how much? Tn is 4. From equation number 1, put a value in above equation. Put a value in above equation. So the above equation become minus 14 is equal to n by 2 into a is how much? 6 minus 2n. So in place of a, we will write 6 minus 2n. 6 minus 2n plus 4. So now minus 14 is equal to n by 2 into 6 plus 4 10 minus 2n. Minus 14 is equal to n by 2. So 2 is common here. Take it outside. 2 into remaining term is 5 minus n. So 2 get cancel. Minus 14 is equal to n into 5 minus n. Minus 14 is equal to 5 into n, 5n minus n into n, n square. So now transfer minus 14 to the right hand side. It become plus 14. So minus n square plus 5n plus 14 is equal to 0. So again take minus sign common. It become n square minus 5n minus 14 is equal to 0. So now this equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Therefore it is a quadratic equation. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to minus 14. So we need to find the factors of minus 14, and the product become 14 and the sum become is minus 5. So minus 7 plus 2 are the factors. Minus 7 plus 2. 7 2s are 14 plus into minus minus, and minus 7 plus 2 is minus 5. Therefore here minus 5n is split as n square minus 7n plus 2n minus 14 is equal to 0. Now in first two terms n is common, take it outside. N into n minus 7 plus in last two terms 2 is common, take it outside. 2 into n minus 7 is equal to 0. Therefore again n minus 7, n minus 7 is common, take it outside. N minus 7, the remaining term is n plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore n minus 7 is equal to 0, or n is equal to n plus 2 is equal to 0, and n is equal to 7 plus 7, or n is equal to minus 2. But already we know that n is always a positive integer. It is not a negative integer, and n is not a decimal number, and n is not a fraction. Therefore we can consider the positive integer n is equal to 7. So n is equal to 7. Now we need to calculate a. How to calculate a? Put n value in equation number 1. We will get the a value. Put n value in equation number 1. So the equation number 1 become 6 minus 2 into n is how much? 7 is equal to a. 6 minus 7 2 is 14 is equal to a. 6 minus 14 is equal to a. 6 minus 14 is minus 8. So a is equal to minus 8 and n is equal to 7. Hence n is 7 and a is minus 8. Next exercise number 5.3, third main, ninth example. So the ninth example is, in an AP given A is equal to 3, N is equal to 8, S is equal to Sn is equal to 192. Find D. Solution. Given that A is equal to 3, N is equal to 8, Sn is equal to 192. Find D. So we need to calculate the common difference here. So next up, we know the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into D. It is the formula to find sum of n terms of an AP. So substitute all the values in this formula. Sn is 92. So 192 is equal to n is 8. 8 by 2 into 2 into a is 3 plus again n is 8 minus 1 and D don't know, write as it is. So 192 is equal to 2 1s are 2 4s are 8. 4 into 2 3s are 6 plus 8 minus 1 is 7D. So this 4 moves to left hand side, become division. 192 divided by 4 is equal to 6 plus 7D. 4 1s are 4 4s are 16 and 3 is remainder, become 32. 4 8s are 32. 48 is equal to 6 plus 7D. Now 6 moves to left hand side, become minus 6 is equal to 70. 48 minus 6 is 42 is equal to 70. 7 1s are 7 6s are. Therefore D is equal to 6. Hence the common difference is 6. And next problem, exercise number 5.3, third main, 10th example. So it is the last example. Given L is equal to 28, S is equal to 144 and there are total 9 terms. Find A. Solution. Given that L is equal to 28, L means what? Last term of an AP is equal to 28. Last term is nothing but Tn is equal to 28. And sum of 9 terms of an AP is 144. So Sn is equal to 144. And here n is equal to 9. But we know the formula. Here last term is given. How to find sum of n terms of an AP? Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus Tn is the formula to find sum of n terms of an AP when the last term is given. So Sn 144. Put all the values in this formula. 144 is equal to 9 by 2 into a is don't know. We need to calculate here, right, as it is. A plus Tn is 28. By cross multiplication, 2 moves to left hand side. 144 into 2 is equal to 9 into a plus 28. And 9 moves to left hand side. It becomes 144 into 2 divided by 9 is equal to a plus 28. 9 1s are 9. So the remainder is 5, 54. 9 6s are 54. 16 2s are 32 is equal to a plus 28. 32 minus 28 is equal to a. 32 minus 28 is 4. Therefore a is equal to 4. Hence the first term a is equal to 4.